Hello student, today we have to solve some question in the topic playing with numbers. So we have to fill the gaps by in each of the following numbers replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible by 3. In first question divisible by 3, in second question divisible by 9, in third question divisible by 11. So you have to replace the star by taking the smallest number so that the number will be divisible by 3, 9 and 11. So we start from question number first. Question first is A is 4 star 106 divisible by 3. All of us know that any number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. So solution sum of digits equal to 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0 plus 6. 5 4 9 9 1 10 10 6 16. Here the number of digits is 1 2 3 4 5, but the number of digits should be 6. So the number of digits is 16 and it is divisible by 16. So 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15. 15 is less, 6 6 are 18. 18 is will 3 5 are 15. 15 is less than 16. So it should be 3 6 are 18. So we have to add 2. So 2 is less. 2 is less in this number. So we have to add 2 more. It should be 2 more so that the number will be divisible by 4. So 16 should be 18. 2 divisible 2b divisible by 3. So star equal to 18 minus 60 is equal to 2. 16 should be 18 should be divisible by 3. So star is equal to 18 minus 16. So you have to fill here 2. So 5 4 2 1 0 6. So star is equal to. Now you see the option B. B is 2 3 7 star 4 to 8. Solution sum of digits DV star equal to 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8. 2 3 5 5 7 12 12 4 16, 16 4 24, 24, 3 8 3 7 21, 3 8 24, 24 is divisible by 0. So we have to fill with least number. Least number is 0. So 24 is divisible by 3. So star is equal to 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. इसलिए स्टार is equal to 0. So the number is equal to 237048. This number. So star at the place of star you have to fill 0. Let's solve the question second. Question second, the divisibility of 9, 8, 5, 3, star 8, 8. Solution. Solution. We know the divisibility of 9. If the sum of digits of given number is divisible by 9, then the number will also divisible by 9. Sum of digits of number leaving star is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 8. 5 to 8, 8 just 8 is 24. 24 is not divisible 9. If you divide 24 by 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18. 9 7 ja. So it is not divisible by 9. 9 3 ja 20, 9 3 ja 26. The next number which is divisible by required number. Required number is equal to 9 3 ja 27. So star is equal to 27 minus 24 because 27 is divisible by 3. So 3 out 24 from 27 we get 3. So 3, if we replace star by 3, then the sum of digits will be 27, that is divisible by 9. So star is equal to, so the number is equal to 5 3 3 8 8. In this way you can get the value of star by replacing with number. Next number is B. B is 6 6 7 star 4 8. Solution. In this we have to add the sum of digits leaving star. Sum of digits of given number leaving star is equal to add all these 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3. Add 6 6 12 12 7 19 19 4 23 23 8 31 31 31 is not divisible by 9. If you divide 31 by 9, sorry, 9 3 is 24, 27, 9 3 is 27, 4, 4 is here. So next number 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 36, 27 must be 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36. This is 31. So 31 should be 36 to be divisible by 9. So required number equal to 36 minus 31, 5. So we have to add. So a star is equal to 5. So number is equal to 6 6 7 5 4 8. In this way you can get number and you can replace star. Now we start to solve the question number 3rd, and in this we have to test the divisibility of 11. The number should be divisible by 11. So we have to replace star by putting a proper number. 8 19 28 star 14. Solution. For the divisibility of 11, first of all we have to add the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 digits here. First of all we have to add the even places, some of digits of even places and digits of odd places. The sum of digits of odd places leaving star of given number. Given equal to, here we see that star is at the place of odd number. So we add the digits of odd number leaving the star. So first number is 4, third number is star 4, fifth is 0 plus 0 plus seventh is 0 equal to 4. 1 4 3 is star, 5 is 0, 7 is also 0. So sum of digits of odd places leaving star is 4. Sum of digits of even places of given number equal to even place 2 place 2 is even number, at the second place is 1 plus 4 8 plus 6 2 plus 8 9, add all this 8 1 9 9 9 18 18 2 20. Difference of sums, difference of sums is equal to 20 minus 4 is equal to 16, and 16 is not multiple of 11, not 0. So the value of this 9 4 11, when 11 from 20 11 from 20, then we get, if it 9 5, if we subtract, because this should be 16 should be 0 are the multiples of 11, but 16 is not 0, is it neither 0 nor multiples of 11. So this number we have to subtract 5 more. 5 more means this should be 5 plus 9. If you subtract 4, this will be equal to 11. So 16 should be 11. So 16 should be 11. So required number is equal to 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. So required number is 5. The required number है वो 5 है. So star is equal to 5. So number is equal to 9 0 2 0 8 5 1. Not this number. So required number is 5, because when we subtract 5 from 16, then the number 11 we get. Then we subtract 11 to 5. So we have to subtract 5. If you subtract 5, 16 minus 5, we get 11. 11 is a multiple of 11. So in this way, we have to subtract star by filling 5. Now we take the second question. Second question B is 8 star 3 4 2 3. Solution. Sum of digits of odd places living star of given number. Given number is equal to 1 first of all we have to start the numbering from right side. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sum of odd place. 1 place पे 3, third place is 4, 5 place is start bus only 4. 4 3 7. Sum of digits of even places of even number. Even places 2 4 6. 2 places 2. 4 places 3. 6 places 8. 2 3 5 5 8 13. 13 and 7. Here 13 difference should be difference is equal to difference of sums is equal to 13 minus 7 6. This is 6 should be either the multiples of 11 or 6 should be 0. If 6 should be 0, then the value of 7 should be 30. Then we have to add 7 plus 4. So required number is equal to 6 minus 6 because either the multiples of 0. But here we have to add the replace this by smallest. If we add more, then that will be great. In this way 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have to replace this star. So the star is equal to 6. So the number is equal to 8 6 3 4 2 3. In this way we can fill the star by replacing it by numbers. In this way all of us studied how to replace the star or fill in the blanks with the help of sensibility. I think all of you have understood this and try to solve the exercise from your exercise book, and I think all of you will be able to solve these questions based on that. So we see in next video. Thanks for today.